We are indebted. We are indebted to all who tend to this sacred place.
I'm indebted to both of my mentors.
Mr. President, we're deeply indebted to you for your leadership in building a clean energy economy for the 21st century, and for signing the Economic Recovery Act that launched the largest investment in clean energy in the nation's history.
Stronger control of their health care. This law will lower premiums. It is limiting costs. It is reining in the worst abuses of the insurance industry with some of the toughest consumer.
They know we love them and that we are indebted to them.
And all of them, all of us, are indebted to that towering man from Spokane. Most of all, we're indebted to Greece for the most precious of gifts. The truth, the understanding that as individuals of free will, we have the right and the capacity to govern ourselves.